Colin at Apache Camping Center here today with a 24 RLS Titanium series by Outdoors RV. If you're not familiar with Outdoors RV, it is local here in the Northwest, out of La Grande, Oregon. It is going to be built for the Northwest. It's built for hardcore camping with comfort in mind. When I talk about comfort, Titanium series is the premium of their comfort packages. It is the top tier of their comfort. So I'm gonna focus today on what makes this a Titanium series trailer, what makes it different from the standard Mountain series. So the Titanium series on the outside is gonna have a few different features that is going to delineate it. First off and foremost is gonna be the easiest noticeable is that silver exterior. That is a high gloss exterior, which is supposed to hold up a little bit better over time due to sun degradation or fading. As we move into the latches, they're all gonna be chrome latches. Right by the latch, you'll see that this turn signal also has a rear view camera or a side view camera. So the Titanium series will come with the 2 side view cameras and a rear view camera standard. This does come with, the Titanium series also comes with a dual pane frameless windows. Very nice to have, looks a lot sleeker, cuts down on the condensation. You can have them open in pouring down rain because they just tilt open, so the rain will just wash right off. As we move around the back, still have the chrome on the grab handles, the handles, every little piece in between. On the back here, you'll have the rear view lights. The lights that are different on the Titanium series are these white backup lights. That is something that you cannot add after the fact. It would be very, very time intensive to run those wires back there. Again, up top, you're gonna have that backup camera. And on the sides, you're gonna have, well, on all the slides, you'll have a slide top awning on the Titanium series. Well, you know, you get the cool logos, you get the cool graphics, but what about some really premium features? How about auto leveling? The auto leveling system on here is gonna be located on the other side, but you'll have auto leveling all throughout. So you roll up to your campsite, hit a button, get that level, and you're on your way. That is so nice. It's so different from having to crank down all of your jacks all the time. You can see here your auto leveling system is gonna be located right there, be easily handleable. So let's move inside and see what makes this Titanium series a premium package on the interior. All right, let's move into the inside here, take a look at the layout and see what the Titanium series has to offer on the interior. Right away, you'll realize this is a rear lounge, the RL rear lounge S slide. So the 24 RLS is what we're in right now. They have very nice seating in here. This isn't gonna be an upgrade from a Mountain series to a Titanium series, but just something to call out that it is a very comfortable recliner in there. Up top, the valances, these are gonna be wood versus a cloth for the valances. Makes it look a little bit more premium. All real wood, none of the composite. The blackout curtains are now standard for 2024 and beyond. Let's move into the kitchen. Take a look at some of the storage in here. Underneath the sink, you do have your spice rack. You are gonna see this compartment here that is access to some of your plumbing. Underneath, a lot of space to store. Faucet itself, it is an upgraded faucet from the Mountain series. It does have a retractable piece, so you'll be able to spray out that big basin sink. To the left here, you have your pots and pans drawer underneath. What I do say that I like about this kitchen design and just kitchens and trailers that do this is having the stove with prep space on either side. It drives me nuts to have a stove top up against a wall or in a corner. I just need to place, I'm a messy cooker, I'll say that. So I need places to put things. Over on the entertainment system, 12 volt TV, 12 volt actual entertainment system. So you have your DVD, CD, HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, everything all still 12 volt in that. Little storage throughout for maybe little board games, things like that. Up top as well. Fairly shallow, but there is some. Now new for 2024, you do have a 12 volt fridge. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You got a deeper 12 volt fridge. You don't have the fins in there from the propane system. It also cools down, doesn't heat up, cools down in about an hour versus overnight. You can also drive down the road with it running. So if you pick up groceries while you're headed out to go camping, you can always put it there. Your pantry, a little bit further away and a bit in the way from your kitchen, but I think it still works and serves its purpose to give you that storage that you need for the snacks while you're out camping. Little sneak peek into the bedroom, but not quite yet. We're moving into the bathroom. The bathroom, like I said before, you do have those continued hard surfaces throughout. That is the titanium package. Up on the mirror, this is a vanity mirror that does come with the titanium package as well. When you're going out and camping for a long time, you want to be able to look nice, because sometimes you're going to go out to dinner. Sometimes you're going to go out on the town. I mean, you're not always in the middle of the woods. And even if you are, you got to look nice. So coming around to the shower, it is a nice bigger corner shower. Very tall. I'm 6'5", I could stand in there. My head does go into that skylight, but I'm able to take a shower fairly comfortably in this trailer. Quick porcelain check on the toilet. Yep, that's porcelain. All right, moving into the bedroom. As we can see right away on the right and the left-hand side, huge night tables for whatever you need over there. Books, laptops, phones, night mask, anything that you need. You do have outlets at the end, 12 volt and 110, but the nightstands themselves is that hard surface continued again into the bedroom. Kind of makes it nice to be able to continue that through the trailer. The titanium package also includes a gel-topped mattress. I have yet to see someone get a titanium trailer and replace the mattress. I mean, from an industry where it is almost known that anyone who gets a trailer is going to replace the mattress, it is absolutely phenomenal that a trailer company is providing a mattress that is so good that people are not replacing it. In the titanium series as well, upgraded reading lights, touch for a little bit of light, another touch for the reading light, and then touch again to turn off. That is on both sides. Titanium series, for one of the final things, is TV in the bedroom as well. In this 24 RLS titanium series, you do get a nice hanging locker in the bedroom. There's not a lot of room in here to move around, but you do feel kind of secluded from the rest of the trailer, so it is a separate room, and you also get the additional storage space, which helps out a ton. As a 2-entry trailer, you do have the option of going out at the bedroom, but one thing to note is that you don't have to walk through the bathroom to get to the other side of the trailer. So someone could be using the bathroom and it's not a problem. The AC is going to be a 15K BTU versus a 12.5K BTU. So it is a more powerful AC. So as you can tell, I'm 6'5", I'm moving all through this trailer and I have plenty of room for my head. And that is something that's really nice to have, especially in a trailer that you want something to be comfortable for long term. All right, so that is it with the slide in. If you want to see how accessible it is, I'm just walking through the kitchen, no problem. I'm able to get to the bathroom, no problem. I'm able to get to both entries, no problem. This is what it looks like with the slide in. Very, very usable trailer. If you've got cramped, confined spaces, if you're trying to pack and get going, it is very easy to use. You still have one recliner to use. You're not really using that one unless you want like a tiny reading nook. This does move, so you can always jump back there if you wanted to. But you do not want to be on this slide when it is in. It would over lever it. You kind of really mess up the gears on that drive. It is not meant to be used while it's in. So always make sure to push your slide out all the way until for you to use that dinette. So this is the 24 RLS Titanium. It is the upgraded trim level as the titanium package with a ton of different features, from the AC to the auto leveling to the premium mattress to the hard countertops. There's a ton that they've put in this trailer to make a well-built trailer extremely comfortable. Now, if you want to learn more about the trailer itself, Outdoors RV, or the titanium level, you can always download the brochure linked below or get in contact with us at apachecamping.com.